Are you tired of working 9 to 5 and barely making ends meet? What if I told you that you could make a full-time income online with just a few hours of work per week? The good news is that it's never been easier to make money online with Clickbank affiliate marketing. In fact, some people are making six-figure income with this method alone. But the question is, how do you get started and achieve the same results? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the insider secrets that these successful Clickbank affiliates are using to dominate the market. You'll learn how to pick the right products, create high-converting content, and drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. And the best part about this, you do not need to run any ads. You do not need to create any videos or even have a website. This is a perfect strategy for beginners who want to make money through Clickbank affiliate marketing. So stay tuned to learn how to turn your computer into a money-making machine. But before we dive into it, just a word of warning, you are most likely to start making sales on the first day only if you follow my guide carefully. And to make this work, we'll be using free traffic. So don't expect to make thousands of dollars in a day from this, but you are sure to make good money. So here's how it works. Step 1. We need to find our $1 million offer, and as a beginner, always go for the evergreen offer. This strategy can also be used on any other affiliate marketing platform, but for this example, I will go with Clickbank. All you need to do is come to Clickbank, and if you don't have an account yet, you should go sign up. It's free to join. And if you already have an account, then you want to come to the marketplace, which has all of the products that you can promote on Clickbank. You want to click the search icon if you already have a product in mind that you want to promote, but we don't have a product in mind yet. So for this strategy to work, we need to focus on newer products that have recently been added to the marketplace. GlucoTrue is a weight loss supplement, and this is a perfect example to use. Now that there is less competition, not too many people are promoting this offer. But for this example, I'm going for MetaboFlex, which is a fairly new product. It has been around a little while now, but I just want to show you this as an example. When you're doing this for yourself, you want to find even newer products to make it work, just like GlucoTrue. This offer does have a recurring bill, which shows you are always going to keep earning. The gravity score is perfect, and you can make as much as $143 for every sale you make. To show you how this works, just copy the name and then head over to Google. So we're going to search for MetaboFlex up here, and when we search for it on Google, the first thing we see are videos. That's not what we're going to be focusing on. But if you scroll a little bit further down, you'll see there are a lot of articles about this product. But thankfully, nobody is using the strategy we are about to use. And what exactly is this strategy? It's Google News. You get featured on its top stories. It is not an advertisement kind of thing. These are organic posts which Google will push to the top of the Google first page, and they're basically news articles or review type content. Now, do not worry. You're not going to be writing any articles. That's not what this strategy is. Take a close look and glance through these websites, like this one. They are not very well known as news resources or sites. It's not like the BBC or anything like that. They're basically unknown news resources, and that's really important for this strategy. So what we want to do is just click on one of these, and you'll see when you click on it that it's basically like review, style content. And if you click on any of the links, you'll see that they lead to an affiliate link for this product. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to make use of this and make money off of it without ever writing a single word or doing any kind of SEO. So make sure you keep watching. Now the first thing we need to do is go back to that article ranking first on Google and copy all of these texts. And then what you want to do is head to this website, wordcounter.com. We'll paste the article we just copied into this box here, and then click here. And what this is going to do is essentially tell us how many words are here. We need this information in order to get a better article that would outrank this one. Now, you know the number of words needed to outrank your competitor. The next step is to head over to Google Chrome and install this extension called AIP-RM. This extension will do the whole hard work from SEO to keyword suggestion to ranking your article on Google's first page. Its output will really amaze you. But AIP-RM can't possibly work alone. It does need a friend called ChatGPT. So if you don't know what ChatGPT, it is an AI that can help you with virtually everything you can think of. It's a chatbot. You just need to go learn more. And if you don't have an account, you should go create one. Just come over here and click to log in or sign up for an account. And there you go, ChatGPT. And this SEO tool will help write a professional product review for our chosen Clickbank offer. So when you have the AIP-RM extension installed, this is what your ChatGPT interface should look like. As you can see, the SEO extension has several features. Human, written, 100% unique SEO optimized article. I love the outrank article feature. And there goes the keyword strategy. And the fully SEO optimized article, including FAQ. This is the feature you should select for your article. Free field to browse through its features. Now it's time to write an article about our offer. You will need to be very careful about using these tools for writing. It's quite powerful. And you would want to pay maximum attention to this part. I would have loved to walk you through how to use the SEO extension to write the product review, but that will make this video very long. Don't stress it. I've got you covered. So right on my channel, navigate to videos and scroll through till you get this video, where I literally walk you through how to use ChatGPT and this SEO extension to write a professional product review. You will need to follow my step-by-step guide to make this work. Don't miss any part of the video. Alternatively, click on the video link showing up here, and I just might leave the link to the video in the description box. And that's it. To save time, I already have my article generated, and I will assume you have your article already written. Now copy your article and then head over to Google Docs. Just open up a blank Google Doc and paste in the text in this blank space. Then you need to head back to Clickbank. And what you want to do is click this Promote button. Or you can go to the Affiliate Resources page and get your unique affiliate link there. So click Promote here. Click on Generate Hop Links. It's going to give you a unique URL. I love to include the tracking ID because it helps me know where my traffic and sales are coming from. And that will help me know which is the winning strategy. This is really an important step in this strategy, and I've seen a few people try it and get it wrong. But you want to make sure that the affiliate links you're using led through to a text-based sales letter, not a video sales letter. I will tell you why shortly. Click on the affiliate page. Then input your details. I think this product has a default video-based sales letter here. But for this, you want to send it through to this text-based sales letter where it has the product and the price. A lot of offers on Clickbank lead to a video sales letter that's like an hour long. The reason you don't want to use the video sales letter is because you just might be targeting people who have probably watched the video somewhere online. They're already aware of that product, but they want to do a bit more research about it. And the sure thing is that they will head over to Google to do the research. And then when they click to read your article, you are going to send them through to this page. So you want to send them to a page where they can actually check out right away once they've made up their minds, rather than having to watch a really long video. But feel free to try out other landing pages to get the most converting landing page. Now you want to grab your affiliate link. Head over to Google Docs, and then everywhere it says the product's name. You want to hyperlink it. Just paste in your link and click on Apply all the way through. You can add a little call to action and hyperlink it, and then save. Up next is step 3. You want to head over to this website, Fiverr.com, and you want to search for the phrase Google News at the top and click Search. And what you'll see is that there are a lot of people here who will put your article on their websites. So you do not need to create the website. There are already a lot of these news websites out there that you might not have heard of, but they've got quite high Google rankings. They've been approved to join the Google News Network, and what you can do is send them your article with your affiliate link, and they'll post it on their news website. And when anyone searches for the product name, it will appear on Google, featured in Google News Top Stories, right at the top of Google's first page. And as you can see here, you want to look down here and try to find one of these within your budgets. You can get them for like $5 or $10. You would want to go for the seller with a good ranking score. I'll leave a link to my recommended person that I think you should go with. But just to show you this, as an example, you click on one of these and want to find people that have a lot of reviews, and they've been doing it for quite a long time, and click Continue, and you want to order the gig, and then you want to send them a link to your Google Doc with your unique written article. They'll post it on their news site, and there's a good chance that Google will feature it on its Google News page. As you can see, not many people are running ads for this one yet. So what that means is that there's not a lot of competition for this. This might be a good one for you to test yourself on. And this costs like $5 to $10 on average for this gig. And some of those products are paying out like over $100, and you can always repeat the process over and over with quite a few different products, since writing the article is free. You should be able to make some good money from it if you actually take action. And that's it, guys. I hope you really liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up because it makes me believe you love this kind of content, and that will make me reveal more and more strategies that actually really do work. So make sure you smash the like button and also comment below. Go start it and let me know what's up and how it goes. If you'll try it yourself, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Do take care and bye.